Hello, my name is Alexis Palferman and this is my final presentation for the Professional Apps project. In this project, we focused on two different devices. The devices that I chose to focus on were desktop and phone. As I walk you through my prototypes, you will notice that the application will function slightly differently on each of the devices, but you will also be able to see how people use technology to work together as I walk you through my application. So this application is called Tweet App, and it was created to help students, parents, and teachers keep track of homework assignments. So the mobile version is created for students and the desktop version is created for teachers. So let's go to the prototypes and I'll walk you through them. I'll show you the mobile first. So here is the mobile prototype. I guess this is the size. Okay, so the student is brought to this login page and asked to input their email and password as well. After they sign in, this would be the landing page or the home page where it lists all of the assignments that they have for the week and also the progress that they have in each one of their classes. They're able to check on the assignments that they have already finished. And they will be able to also access a planner. If they click on this plus sign, they can add and customize it however they want. So this side would be the full hours and this would be the half hours. They can also use these arrows to go from day to day. They'll be able to access a calendar. In this calendar, if they click on a specific date, the assignments due for that day will display here. And then also I added this cool feature where it counts the days until graduation for them and things like that. And also if they want to see the next month, they can do so by clicking on that arrow. In the notes section, it's really simple, kind of like the phone's notes, but this will be a little bit more customized to students. So they can type whatever it is that they need to. And I added this tools bar where they can add pictures, adjust the font, add lists and tables as well. So for example, this is a picture that a student may add. If I go back to home and I go here, I can select either to turn on or off the notifications on or off, and also log out. So that is the mobile version. So now let's go to the desktop version. So for the desktop version, this is what it would look like. The teacher is able to select whichever section it is that they want to look at. For example, if the teacher wants to look at section 4, here is the students for section 4. They're able to track their progress. As you can see, I customized it to the green means they're doing pretty good, the yellow kind of, and the red they're in the danger zone. So the teachers are able to contact the students and see how they can help. In the calendar section, they're able to see other months as well, and if they want to see the year in a glance, here it is. June and July are blurred out because usually students don't go to school on these months. They're able to add stickers to these calendars, and also if they want to see the calendar bigger, here it is with the stickers as well. So let's say that a student emailed this teacher asking for his grade or something, so the teacher will look for the student and it will be highlighted over here, directing the teacher to the exact student that she or he was looking for. So that's it for my applications. I hope you like them, and I'll be looking out for all the feedback that I can get. Thank you so much. Bye.